Hello everybody and welcome to the new feature for the Grand Haven Musical Fountain. Our scope for the project was to concept, design, prototype, and build a new water feature for the Grand Haven Musical Fountain, creating the 11th feature to go along with the other 10 features, which are the bazookas, the rings, the sweeps, peacock, helix, wave, voice spout, candelabra, front curtain, and the center spout. The design constraints that we had during the manufacture of this project were minimal maintenance, low profile, as this will be in front of other features. We don't want it to be too tall to block them. The water feature streams have to be at least 15 feet high when they're in use so that they can be seen over 1,000 feet away where the typical viewing is. For the same reason, we needed big enough diameter nozzles, about a 1/4 inch or bigger, as to be able to withstand Michigan winter conditions as it'll be outside the entire time. And since it is a rotational feature, it has to be self-propelling using its own water pressure. And now we will move on to the project specifications for the new feature. Starting with, the water feature must have a minimum height of 15 feet while in use. Also, the water feature nozzle outlet must be at least a 1/4 inch in diameter. The water feature must be able to be winterized. Must have minimal maintenance. The water feature must be able to withstand at least 150 psi of water pressure, as that is the max that can go through the fountain. The water feature must be aesthetically pleasing, as voted on by the committee. And then it also needs to have a panel view alarm history page, which is used for the software side of the feature. Overall, we are very excited to work on this project, and we thought that it turned out good. The biggest problem that we had was with matching the rotational speed between the two features, but once we got that locked in, we're ready to show it off August 27th for the 60th anniversary unveiling.